going. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the bubble method to find a common denominator to make these numbers easier to compare. First thing we do is we write down the two denominators we have, 6 and 8. Now we're going to write down our prime factors. If I didn't know my prime factors for 6, I would do a fraction, or a factor tree. Well, 3 times 2, they're both prime, so I write down 2 times 3. For 8, I'm going to do a factor tree as well. 8 would be 4 times 2. 2 is prime, 4 is not. So then 4 is 2 times 2. So my prime factors are 2 times 2 times 2. Now I draw my bubble. Doesn't matter which side I start with. I'll start with this one. I put both of these numbers into the bubble. 2 times 3. Now when I get to my second number, I have to ask myself, have I put a first 2 in? Because if I have, I don't want to put another one in. And the answer is yes, I already did put a first 2 in, so I'm not going to put this one in. I ask myself, have I put a second 2 in the bubble? No, I don't have a second 2. So that one goes in. Do I have a third 2 in my bubble? No, I do not. This one goes in. Now I multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. My common denominator is 24. I need to change both of these fractions to have a denominator of 24. So I write my problem. 2 sixths times something equals something over 24. This right here needs to be the equivalent form of 1. I'm just putting that to remind myself that this needs to be 1. So 6 times what is 24? 6 times 4 is 24. This also needs to be a 4, so I'm multiplying by an equivalent form of 1. 2 times 4 is 8. So 2 sixths is equal to 8 24ths. Do the same thing for 3 eighths. Times something equals a fraction with a denominator of 24. 8 times 3 is 24. This needs to be 3/3, so it's an equivalent form of 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Now these are much easier to compare. 3 eighths is 9 24ths. 2 sixths is 8 24ths. I'm trying to figure out if 2 sixths is greater or less than 3 eighths. Well, 2 sixths is 8 24ths, which is less than 9. So this is less than. And that's it.